Hi everybody, Smashy here with an update from my tutorial the other night that was originally streamed on my Picardo channel regarding creating type cages. I'm basically just going to show you what I've been doing with them, which is designing Rose version 3, hopefully final. Okay, so here we go. Teleport! Okay. So as you see, all of the letters are taking the full width, and these are like all the capital letters, except for the I and the J, of course, because those are thinner by nature, to maintain some consistency. This also includes the M and the W, which I could have expanded, but felt unnecessary. The lowercase letters are filling the 3 by 3 squares. The numbers are once again going to the 4. The 0 is a little narrower at the top and bottom to differentiate itself from the letter O. And some of the special characters have been drawn. What's to come, there's a number of other special characters and punctuation and accents that need to be done before this is ready to go into FontLab. Now, one of the things I'm going to be doing is I'm going to print off more of these sheets, put them over with a light box, and trace them using black marker and pen. One, because I do want an ultra thin version of this, and two, so I can get a better idea of what it's going to look like as solid black. I'll be scanning all of these, so I have a rough version with the pencil, and I have smoother, arguably cleaner versions in pen. The only thing that would stop me from that is I get hand tremors, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, this has been the update, and when it's time to go back to digital, I'll be streaming more of that and recording more of that so you can see what the process is or what my process is. Anyway, thank you.